How about I'll buy the birds from you?
No, they're my birds, my birds.
Let me buy them $5. Will that buy the birds?
No,
How about $10?
no, my birds.
Well, $25 buy your birds.
They're in a sucker.
And a son. Yeah, son.
Scene 2. Huh. What's up, Jesus?
How you doing, Satan?
I'm doing pretty good. See all these people? My people. You see this cage? Yeah. They're in my cage.
What are you going to do with them, Satan?
What do you mean what am I going to do with them?
What are you doing with people?
I enjoy, I don't know. I mean, I might throw in a little death, a little lust, a little temptation in their lives. Maybe rattle the cage a little bit.
I don't think you should do that.
And why not?
It's not good. It doesn't have to be a good thing.
Good. I have never specialized in good.
That's
Jesus.
true. That's definitely true.
And so, I mean, I think I might enjoy it. I think that might be a good thing. I might.
No, I don't think so. What else?
Oh man, I like to pit one another against each other and like stand back and throw rocks at them, and then